Did you know your body has a literal kill switch for stress and you're probably not using it? It's called the vagus nerve, the wandering nerve. It's the longest nerve in your body, running all the way from your brain to your heart, lungs, and gut. Think of it as the master controller of your relaxation system. When you're overwhelmed by work, emails, or toxic news, your vagus nerve shuts down, your heart races, your breathing gets shallow, and your gut knots up. But you can hack it in less than 10 seconds. First, splash ice cold water on your face or hold an ice pack to your chest. The cold shock forces your heart rate down instantly. Second, take a physiological sigh. That's 2 quick inhales through the nose, followed by 1 long, slow exhale through the mouth. Do this right now to flip your nervous system back to safety. Hit that follow button for more quick biohacks.